Impossible engines. Will warp drive ever be real? Imagine traveling to another star system in weeks, not centuries. That is the promise of warp drive. But is it science fiction or a possibility? What is possible and what is just Hollywood? Faster than light travel has captivated us for decades. But is it truly possible? Can we really warp space-time to reach distant stars? Join us as we explore the science, the challenges, and the future of warp drive technology. Our journey begins with Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity revolutionized our understanding of space and time, but it also seemed to impose a cosmic speed limit. Nothing can travel faster than light. It is law, and breaking it is, well, impossible. Einstein showed us that space-time is not a rigid, unchanging backdrop. It can be bent, warped, and distorted by mass and energy. Warp drive doesn't so much move you faster than light, it moves space around you. Mind-bending. To truly grasp this, consider the rubber sheet analogy of space-time. Imagine a stretched rubber sheet. Placing a bowling ball on it creates a dip. This represents how massive objects warp space-time, creating gravity. In 1994, physicist Miguel Alcubierre proposed a radical solution, the Alcubierre Drive. This concept would not violate the speed of light. Instead, it would warp space-time to create a bubble around a spacecraft. Space-time would contract in front of the bubble and expand behind it. This contracting and expanding is key, kind of like surfing the very structure of the universe. The spacecraft inside the bubble would remain stationary, relative to its immediate surroundings. It wouldn't be moving faster than light. The bubble of space-time would be carrying it forward, effectively allowing for faster-than-light travel without violating the laws of physics, at least on paper. Some have compared it to an escalator. You're standing still, but reaching new heights. But there are some major obstacles in the way. Massive, physics-breaking, make you question what you are doing kind of obstacles. Building an Alcubierre Drive or anything similar faces some serious challenges. One of the biggest challenges is exotic matter. Negative mass energy is almost required, and negative mass has never been observed. In our everyday world, mass always attracts. Negative mass would repel, creating the push necessary for the Alcubierre Drive. Some theories suggest it could be related to things like quantum entanglement or at the edge of black holes, but for now, it's totally theoretical. Then there's the energy requirements. The amount of energy needed to warp space-time to this degree is astronomical. Early calculations suggested it would require the mass energy of the entire universe. To put that in perspective, that's more energy than the sun will output in its entire lifespan. Now, there are more modern models with less energy needed, but it is still more than humanity can produce for now. It highlights just how much we don't know about controlling the fundamental forces of the universe. And what if warp drive created time travel? It becomes a causality nightmare and can break the universe with paradoxes. If we can travel backward in time, that makes paradoxes. Going back in time to prevent your own birth is one popular and unresolvable paradox. But despite these daunting challenges, scientists have not given up. NASA's Eagle Works laboratory, led by Dr. Harold White, has been exploring advanced propulsion concepts, including warp drive. What if we can get over all these hurdles? Before giving up on warp drive, we should consider the wormhole as well. Wormholes, or Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical tunnels connecting two different points in space-time. If they exist, we can travel between 2 points in space without traveling in a straight line. We haven't been able to see a wormhole yet, but the prospect is there and can open new ways to see FTL travel. Imagine the possibilities. Reaching distant star systems, exploring the galaxy, finding new worlds, and potentially even encountering other civilizations. Warp drive, or at least something similar, could revolutionize space exploration and change humanity's destiny forever. And we're just at the cusp. Warp drive remains a distant dream with significant scientific and technological hurdles to overcome. But the potential reward is so transformative that it continues to inspire scientists and engineers to push the boundaries of what is possible. Will we ever conquer the challenges and unlock the secrets of faster-than-light travel? Only time will tell. It may seem impossible now, but so is the idea of flying to the moon. Be sure to like and subscribe for more cosmic adventures.